Hello everybody, this is Mark with WTI. Have you ever wondered what applicator to use to apply tire shine and conditioning? Well, check this product out. It's perfect and I love it because it gets the job done. And it doesn't just work for the tires of your vehicle. This is perfect for many surfaces such as plastics, vinyl, rubber, stone, glass, and much more. And if you notice, it's got a wavy surface that allows a flexible foam to work itself into the cracks and crevices of any surface that you're working on. And it's very durable, it's easy to hold in your hand, and as it glides over the surfaces, the wave pattern, it distributes your product for the perfect detailing effect. It definitely meets my daily car detailing and cleaning needs. With that said, this is the applicator I use to care for all of my tires, and that's just my point of view.